how to find play to earn projects early. Okay, so this video is all about how you can do research and how you can find these play to earn games that are soon to moon up to 100x to 100x. So these are the ways that I'm doing as a YouTuber and as a play to earn gamer and an investor. So first of all, before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first website that I want you to show, that I want you to visit after this video is DAPPRADAR.com. Okay, so these new projects are aiming to be listed on DAPPRADAR.com, and for the project to be listed inside this platform, they need to have this kind of volume. They need to, like, there's a lot of transactions, there's a lot of users, and of course they are need to comply with a lot of requirements, which of course will help you to determine if this project is good or not. So stopping with all the talk, let's just go forward here. So what you just need to do is just select the games, or just go into the rankings and then search for a game, and you will be prompted with this like blockchain games. Okay, so these are like the best blockchain games and the top blockchain games that are being played inside Binance Smart Chain, inside Wax blockchain. So like this one, there's a new game called CryptoBait, and you can just like open it and you will be able to see anything here. So this one is play to earn, and yeah, I think I just really heard it like right now that there's a CryptoBait, right? And that's pretty much a good thing, because I mean you can find new projects inside this part, and you can be able to invest right away, or maybe you can just do some research. Okay, so more research, and just like that's like how easy it is. Okay, so you go into the games, whether you're using a Wax, whether you're using a Binance Smart Chain. So this one is a Wax. Let's say you're using Binance Smart Chain. This is the Binance Smart Chain. So CryptoBlades, CryptoBay, Mobox, Zoo, CryptoZone, and other stuff. And that's just how easy it is. So if you want to look for a 7-day chart, which is the best, or which is the best in terms of the users, the volume, and to the activity, you can just go forward here. Okay, and that's how easy it is, right? So if you want to find new projects, then just go scroll down for a bit and just look for this amount of users. So you will see that that it is a new game. If you're looking forward into a small balance that has a small amount of users, so it is gaining traction per se. So this is one example, CryptoBay. So it grew by more than 170% for the last 24 hours. Okay, so that's something that you need to see. Also, this NFT boss battles. Okay, this Profit Circus SGBSC. So you should actually check this one out. So just go to open it, just click the D app, and then you will be able to check already the game. Okay, the website, the official website, not a phishing site. So that's how easy it is for you to find projects early in DAPPRADAR. So the other website that I'm going to recommend, okay, is this play to earn. Okay, so it is similar with the DAPPRADAR, but I found really early games right here, because these early games are like it hasn't been listed into the DAPPRADAR, but they are listing it faster than play to earn. Okay, so you see here, this is updated by August 18, 2021, and this is the social score, and you are you are seeing some like graphics here, like how many users, how many like people that are using this, how trending is this. Okay, so you can be able to see it directly here, and if you just really want to search forward here, so you can just click this part. Okay, so it will show what is the highest social number in the last 24 hours. So let me just like click this one, so you'll be able to see every single stuff. So it includes Farmers World, like what I've created before. It includes Crusaders of Crypto, it includes DeFi Warrior, Pet Games, Game of Blocks, Tetan Arena, Rabona. So you should actually check this one already if you have a time and if you have some money to spare. Okay, so that's how easy it is for you to be able to find this game in. Of course, it is pretty much legit, and you can trust this kind of data. Also, what you just need to see is that how updated is this. So like this one, okay, this is updated last August 2021. So make sure to check this kind of games that are updated like really early, like August 28th, like August 27, or even August 29. So that's how easy it is. So the third part, okay, is of course just going into my channel, okay? I'm always doing this routine, okay? There's a lot of people, there's a lot of my scholars and everything that are tipping me with this kind of games, and you will be able to see every single play to earn games that I will invest with, and I'm also going to show to you some of the projects that are not good to put money as well. So it's like these projects include like Crypto Debo, Plan to Earn, and even Fusion Heroes, because clearly this kind of projects are just really rug pull and just really scam, and they're just like looking to dump you guys and just really take your money at all. Okay, so you will be able to see every single NFT games, and you will be able to use even my referrals if I have some gifts that I can share to you, and also some airdrops, and even like an NFT giveaways that has been given to me by maybe a developer or just a really good subscriber of ours, and that's how easy it is. So I've already created before about Dragonari, which is not yet pumping before, but now it is really going up. Also Crop Bites, also my DeFi pet. Last even like I think it was around 2 months ago, I created my DeFi pet, and now, okay, now my DeFi pet is more than 10x. Okay, I think it's around 13x currently, and of course, if you've already see this one, okay, you are now sitting with really huge amount of money. Of course, this is not a financial advice, and also invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, for freaking sake, just do it. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys, and see you on my next video.